Kahadlok ang ay. Ha? Hadlok ka sana sa earth.
Ay, lagi.
Ako ba ni po sa'yo? Patay, tago. Tumod mo batik mo. Mag-download na taglaing nga hadlok. Ay, ang ato pa ni delete. Tibuhat.
Wa mo to buhat.
Kailangan din na to.
Ambo. Hago ba? Ha?
Leave it. Ha?
Hago to. Uy.
Ay. Grane! Tago at tahang to matay.
Dani!
Mari tayo buhat, dreamer. Magkawas ko ha, 3. Ho! Day. Oh, sige. Bago pa nila itong download ha. So, kanya at duwaon.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. Answer the 3 questions correctly, and you might get something special. Problem 1. 8 plus 4 equals... You're doing fantastic. Problem 2. 7 plus 6 equals... Great job! That's right! Problem 3. 7 plus 1 equals... Good one! You did great! Come here and get your prize! A shiny quarter! You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors. Problem 1. 8 plus 8 equals... Good one. Problem 2. 7 plus 9 equals... Great job! That's right! Problem 3. Plus... times... equals...
Ha? Daon. dagan tayo. Dagan jud. Dagan oy. Dagan jud.
Ako sa kuya.
Wow. Refill pa ko. Ayo, bagil. Sabi mo. No, 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 no. Five and four. That is one. Six. Ambot lang nine. One.
I wanna play with someone. Ready? Go! One.
Dakpan na po.